Hi friends, it's Velvet. I am here, let's see, it's a Tuesday today, and I have a new kit that I wanted to show you. Unfortunately, I did not organize it very well before I actually brought it to my table. So let me just put those in the bag. All right, these top four I accidentally printed with a border. But yeah, so these are supposed to be something of a vintage wallpaper feel. And you'll see that they're kind of like in groups. They look very similar to each other. So these ones are very pink and green. I like this one. And then this is upside down. And then what I've done is I've just made 5 backing papers of some of the colors in the, in the papers. So I like this one too. And those are included in the kit as well. I like this one. I like that slight distressing in the back. I feel like that's supposed to go this way. I do like that one too. This way? No, I think it's this way. This is just a very light pinky beige. This got pixelated, and I've been working on trying to fix it, and I don't know what happened there. So I did have some help from AI to make these, but then I just, I made some changes and, kind of whittled it down to what I thought would look good in a journal. I really like this one. And then this one is a little different. I may pull this one too, because, it just looks like it doesn't belong, I really wanted this one to work out, but it does look blurry. So I think these two I'm going to pull, but that still leaves, I don't know, like 10 or something to use. And then I made a bunch of ephemera. So I did these 4 last, the pink and green and white. And so I kind of used those in these tags that I made, and then I just, put something on the background so that they'll match this really well. And then I decided to take all of the pictures and make a washi tape out of it. And I really, really like how that turned out. It took me forever, but it worked. And really, really like that. So I may try doing this more often. We'll see what happens. Anyway. And then this, you've got, there's a little pocket here, some more tags, some of the little hole reinforcers, just like little labels and things. And I tried to use a nice variety of the papers for that. And same thing here, we've got some tags, or some, oh my gosh, what is wrong with me? Tabs. And then I did a couple plain things. I really like this one. This is the paper that I'm going to take out, but I think it still works in here. So that's why I left it in. And same thing over here. So I feel like it works. And then, some more of the tags and stuff. And then this one, I just did a little bit of, doodads there. Did another plain one. Here's some toppers. And then this one, I decided to do the whole page in this one page. Now let me see if I can find it quickly here. Oh, it's this one, because I think this one's kind of my favorite. So I just did that and use the templates for the tags and stuff. And I think this is so pretty. So, you've got that. You can decorate. These came out not really you know, overly busy, so you can decorate those. That's busy. You don't have to do much there. You've got a whole bunch of these hole reinforcers and a little pocket, and that should fit in the pocket just fine. So that's why I left this all that, because I just thought that was so cute. And I tried to make this kit so that everything would go together, so that it's, you know, a very similar theme. Of course, it's flowers and foliage and looks like vintage wallpaper, but so that you could like fold this page, and then the next page could be one that's not part of this section. So the next page could be this, and it wouldn't look like it doesn't match. Now, I know that, you know, when you're putting a journal together, you don't really think about that, but, you know, I just want you to be able to use all of these in the same journal and not feel like they don't go together for whatever reason. So, yeah. So, you know, you could even do something like that. But then if you're anything like me, when I'm doing something like this, I'll put something like a coffee dyed paper in between, or a book page or something, just to kind of break it up a little bit. So there's always that, you know, that option too. I don't know as I will go ahead and cut this out right now. My hand is really hurting, and it's painful to use scissors. So, yeah, I might not do that. Now, some of these I don't need scissors too much for, because I can just, you know, use my trimmer, but others really do need the scissors, and I think I'm gonna just hold off on that. So that's what I had for you today. I hope you enjoy this. This will be up in my Etsy this week, but by the time this goes onto YouTube, it will already be in my Etsy, and I am calling this AI wallpaper. I think that's what I'm going to call it, because I want to be very upfront that I had some help with AI, from AI on this kit. I don't want anybody to think that I'm trying to pull the wool over or anything. And, you know, if you're anti-AI, then you know upfront this is not the kit for you, or whatever. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by and for all your comments. I think it's lovely when you wish me well and stuff. I just, you know, I think of everybody as friends. So I do appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.